Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Rahul FX. So today we are going to be analyzing the trade we took on GBP CHF. It was the second trade I took on the GBP CHF on the same pair. As you can see on the right side of the screen. So I made around 4% from this trade. So I'm using the FundedNext Stiller two-phase challenge. So I'm very close to passing the phase one. I need about $40 more to pass the phase one. So I had taken the trade and all that. I will show you the video and all how I had taken the trade. So first let's see the videos what I had taken the trade. Then let's analyze the trade how we took it and all. So guys, I took this trade just now in GBP CHF. As you can see, the market is creating perfect lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So it came up here to give us the entry, and as you can see, the market is also below the weekly EMA. So I've entered the trade right over here. It is around 1.444. So right now we are in around $20 profit. So this is me placing an entry. As you can see, I had placed an entry on 15-minute time frame. So within, like, I got a sniper entry within, I had placed an entry within like 1 minute. I was up around like 6-7 pips. So as you can see, the profit was running around $51. So yeah, I was pretty happy with my entry. I got a sniper entry basically. So yeah, I will give you an update after like 15 minutes. So what happens to trade play? So guys, as you can see, I'm up around, how much you can say, I'm up around, let's calculate the pips. So you can say I'm up around 12 pips. So as you can see, the 1 hour candle is closing perfectly below the structural point, and it's going to be a perfect trade. So hello guys, as you can see, I'm up around 15 pips. So I'll show you how much dollar I'm up. As you can see, I'm up around $125. As you can see, nice down move there. If it is just, if it is a take profit, I will pass the account. If not, let's see what happens. I am up around $126. Nice beautiful trade right there. I got a perfect entry. So you can see the 1 hour candle. I got the perfect entry at a 1 hour time frame GBP CHF. Let's see how the trade plays out. So as you can see, I am up around $182. The perfect trade has played out. Sniper entry. I will show you the trade. As you can see, the 1 hour time frame is playing perfectly in my favor. I had taken a sniper entry in GBP CHF. So yeah, this is me closing the trade. I closed it pretty early because the market was reaching a structural point. So it had the possibility to reverse in 4 hour time frame. So I didn't risk my profit at all. I booked it around $218 profit. So I need more about $40 more to pass the account. So let's see how that plays out in the next. So yeah, as you have seen, I had taken the trade. I had closed the trade around $218 in profit. If I had left the trade running, I would have cleared the account, but it had reached a structural point in the market, so I decided to close it. So let's do a top-down analysis like we do on all the videos. So first, as I was running through all the pairs, as you can see, so I thought GBP CHF I will not be taking a trade because I had taken the trade last week only. Just 7 days back, 21, I had taken the trade. Okay, so I had taken the second trade on 28. So today's 29. Yesterday I had taken the trade. So yeah, I was running down, so I knew the market was bearish. So just let's do a top-down analysis again. If you haven't watched the previous video, I will highly recommend go and watch the previous video of me taking the trade on GBP CHF. So as you can see, the market is clearly bearish. In weekly, the market is clearly in a state of bearish. The market was creating lower high, lower low. This is the market structure. Then it created another lower low, lower high. Inside market structure, it is still bearish. So now let's go to the daily time frame. So we are going to mark all the, as you can see the arrows, we mark only the structural point. So if you can see a elbow here, if you can't see elbow, we are not going to mark it. If you can see a elbow, then only we are going to mark it. See, as you can see here, there is a little elbow. If there is no elbow, structural point, we are not going to mark it. So as you can see, the market is clearly bearish. If you have any doubt regarding how I do a top-down analysis, you can comment down. I will bring a detailed video on how to do a top-down analysis. So as you can see, the market was creating lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then it went on to create a higher high. So if you have studied market structure and how to actually do a top-down analysis, you will realize that after this market had broken the structural point, so now this has become the range. This has become the lower high. This has become the lower low. So once the market breaks this, so it market automatically turns into a bullish market. So this became a higher high, higher low. Then it was between this. So let's see which we take first. So as you can see, this broke first. So between this as it broke first, this became a lower low. This became a lower high, lower high, lower low. Then within this market structure, market is still in the bullish. So daily is also bullish and not bullish, sorry, bearish, and weekly time frame is also bearish. So now we already have two confirmations that the two time frames which are high for swing trading, accurate for swing trading, daily and weekly, are both in a downtrend. So let's go on to the 4 hour time frame. I had placed an entry on 1 hour time frame. So I didn't analyze the 4 hour time frame. It's just for seeing whether the trend is going according to my plan or not. So as you can see, we had a perfect double top also. So after the double top, it had retested the neckline. You can call it a inverted head and shoulder, also left head, right shoulder, retest of the neckline, then boom. So I had taken an entry over here. Perfect. It was the entry on 1 hour time frame. We are going to just go through that how I taken the trade on. As you can see, the previous trade also, this was the trade I had taken before. After the trade played out, after I had taken this trade, after 7 days, it went to the same exact price point and it was below the 4 hour and the weekly EMA, which gave me high confidence in taking the trade. So as you can see, this red candle, after it had closed below the structural point of this 1 hour time frame, I had taken the trade. So I'll show you now in the 1 hour time frame how it looks. So as you can see, perfect it's looking. As you can see, the market was below the weekly EMA, 1 hour EMA, and the confirmation I had was because the market had gathered all this liquidity. So it swept all this liquidity. Now it's retesting this neckline again, hopefully for it to come down once again. So yeah, it was simple as that. See, I had taken the trade last here only. It gave me a studio order 1:3. I'll show you the trade in the screenshot right here. So if you haven't watched the previous video, go and watch that. So after market had created, I will show you what confluences I had taken to enter the trade. Confluences for going short. So number one was, the main priority is that the weekly, 4 hour and daily time frame are bearish. So higher time frame are all bearish. So this is first. Second, I'll say it was below the weekly EMA. The weekly EMA is also a priority for me. So if it is below the weekly EMA, then only I plan for a sell trade. If it is above the weekly EMA, I plan for a buy trade. So the third was it was a perfect retest of the neckline. Perfect retest of the neckline. Yeah. So let's. So these are the three confluences I had taken before entering the trade. So as you can see, I had gotten a sniper entry over here. As I placed the entry, I had placed the entry right over here. This candle just below this. So market had as the market created the high, then when the market was coming here, then it had officially what had happened. I was waiting for the candle to close below this structural point. So after this candle had closed, I hadn't gotten entry over here. As you can see, the time is 14:30, 2:30. So 2:30, I was not in the market. I was in the market around 5:15. So as this candle closed below this, it engulfed this candle. Then I was planning for an entry. Then I did a top down analysis as fast as I can. Then after as this candle started, for the first 5 minutes, 5 minutes you can say it created the high of the market. So if you have studied the concept of open, high, low, close, so you will realize what it is. So as the market created the high of the market of this candle, I had entered the trade over here. As you can see the screenshot I will provide here. So the market gave me a sniper entry. Within this candle, I was up around 60 to $75, you can say. 60 to 70. I don't remember the current value. As you have seen the video, how much I was up, I had taken the video. So within the second candle, the market as it came over here somewhere, $218 I had booked. So if I had waited a little longer, I could have hit the full TP of $290 and I would have passed the account. But I had not. I had placed my stop loss around here, high of this candle. So I got a perfect 3.34. This trade also you can see it was the 3.4. So 1 is to 3, 1 is to 3 I had gotten. So as you can see, there was not a much to this trade. I didn't wait. If I had waited any longer, as you can see, this market after 5 minutes had passed, as I took an entry, it came down this much in like 4 to 5 seconds. So if I hadn't placed an entry over here as quickly as I can, then the market would have means left without me. I could have taken a re-entry over here, but it was better to enter there only. I had the confluence, I had the three perfect confluences I need. The market was bearish, it was below the weekly EMA, perfect retest of the neckline, and I was targeting the below liquid. I had taken the same trade, as you can see, last week only. So I was confident enough that the market will give me at least $150. So as the market had reached $150, I put a stop loss in $50. So the trade was risk-free trade. So without taking too much greed, I just booked in $218, $18 So if I had holding a little bit more, I would have gotten the passed the account in the single trade only. But no problem, we did only $40. I will show you my FundedNext dashboard now. So let's log into our FundedNext dashboard. So you don't think it is fake, I will reload it is FundedNext as you can see. So login. So as you can see, Stellar two-step phase one, 6K. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm up around 7.32%. The last video I have showed, I was up around 3%. So I gained around 4%, you can say. So I'll show you the trades. See, maximum per minute loss, I have $1,000. So if even if I lose one or two trades, I can in the next trade I can make it all back. As you can see, $439. I need only $41. So let's go over to the trade. Trading overview. See, you can see my win rate 63 63% win rate. So I had taken 0.5 lot only. If I had taken a one lot, then I would have first account. But following my trade plan, I didn't over risk or over leverage. So as you can see, $218, 0.5 lot, GBPCHF sell. Let's go to account overview. As you can see the analytics, I will just give you a quick run through of the what the analytics looks like. So when I first bought the account in March 18, it's a long way. So March, April, June, July, August. So 4 5 months passed. What happened was when I purchased the account on March 18, I was just in my beginner phase. So I had just purchased an account on, like, I thought that it is very easy to pass and all that, so I had bought the account. So after trading a few days, all the trades I had taken all were on drawdown. So as you can see, April 9, 5, 8, 9, 6. So all the trade I had taken was all drawdown. So at April 18, when I when the amount was 5835, so I thought that if I trade one more day, I'm going to just blow the account. So it's of no use. So on April 18, I decided that I need to change what I'm doing and all that. So I started focusing mainly on learning. So you can see from April 18 to July 29, this month's full I didn't take any trade. I focused only on learning. Nothing else, nothing more, nothing else. You just focused on learning. So as you can see, after July 29, I had taken the trade on July 30 and I had gotten around $66 profit. So after the learning this period, first trade I got, it was profit. Then again 2 3 days I didn't get any opportunity. The next trade I took, then again profit. Then this next trade directly I got to break even stage. Like you can see $6,000, 599 and $6,000 only you can say. So I was quite happy. Like from this much drawdown, two trades brought me to break even after learning. I had so much learning experience in the market trading demo and all that. So then after April, August 5, you can see, oh, I didn't have any opportunities. Then next opportunity I had in August 20. So direct from break even, I profited around $160 something. So 157. So two, three trades I took, three trades gave me full profit. So next trade you can see gave me my balance to 621. So this trade I was basically in a drawdown also. 5979 I had gone to drawdown, but like this was within the trade. You can see the balance was in the trade. So I didn't close the trade when I was in 5979 account balance. So I closed the trade on 6221 profit. So as you can see, the one, two, three, four. Four trade I had taken, four were profitable. In the fifth trade I had taken yesterday, that is also profitable, 643. So if you calculate my win rate just basically on my experience, I have 100% win rate. I didn't take any loss in this phase. Five trades which I have taken, no loss. Sorry. So you can see all the trades I have taken here. If you calculate my win rate just based on the last five trades I had taken, I have 100% win rate. So yeah, so I'll recommend all of you just start learning. Spend more time in learning and you will see the result. So you guys, that's it for today's video. So if you have any doubts regarding this video, you can comment down, and also you can check out my Instagram in description. So bye guys.